Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Canva to Webflow for landing pages, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Canva to Webflow for landing pages, start by creating your design in Canva. Open Canva and select the type of graphic you want to create, such as a landing page element. Design your graphic as desired, using Canva's various tools and features. Once you're satisfied with your design, click the download button in the top right corner. Choose the file format you want, such as PNG or JPEG, and click download. Now, it's time to set up your Webflow project. Log into your Webflow account and open the project where you want to add your design. Navigate to the Assets panel on the left side of the screen. Click the Upload button in the Assets panel. Select the previously downloaded Canva graphic from your device and upload it. After uploading, drag and drop the graphic onto your Webflow canvas. Adjust the size and position of your design as needed. Next, ensure that your graphic is part of the overall layout. You can link the graphic to specific actions or sections within your landing page. To do this, select the graphic and locate the Settings panel on the right side. Under Element Settings, choose the appropriate action for your graphic, such as linking to a form or another page. Make sure to test the graphic's functionality to ensure it works as intended. Finally, publish your Webflow project to see how your connected Canva design looks live. This completes the connection process between Canva and Webflow for your landing pages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.